We are testing this with the metal detector function. Normal, when you see the tag is come with the commodities, it can detect and give alarm. Okay, but when you put in this aluminum foil tag, yeah, we try to make it like five layers. Okay, put the any commodities with this tag inside, so it won't detect. That give the chance to the saved. He can take out the commodities even unpaid.
In this video, we will show the metal detection system work together with the EAS scan system. So this is a hard tag. When we go, the EAS system give alarm. So if the thief put some goods in this booster bag and they walk through, the EAS system can't detect the tag, but the metal detection system will detect the booster tag.